How to make your account private in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can find this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Here on the right top, you can find this three dot icon. Simply tap on it. And on the bottom, tap on settings. So now we in this settings interface. Here you can find different options and even customize it. Here slowly scroll down. So there's a section of privacy and safety. Simply tap on it, and on the top there's a section of private account. Now in order to make your account private, simply tap on it and it has been enabled. Now other people cannot easily view your account. So the account is completely private and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.